Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something very mango. And here's the clear proof. Look at this. This mango branch has been propagated in water, and the roots are growing like they're in a marathon. Seriously, this is next level amazing. Next up, we're picking the top mango candidate for propagation. With buds this fresh and healthy, there's no way it won't succeed. This bud looks like it's ready to become a superstar in the home garden. Okay, now here comes the exciting part. I'm preparing a bottle of Coca-Cola and a cup. Don't think I'm making a soft drink here. Everything has its purpose. Carefully cut away the bark from the mango branch to expose more surface for water contact. It's like giving the branch a shave. No worries, it doesn't hurt. Next, I'm using a paper clip to keep the mango branch steady in the cup. Don't underestimate the power of a paper clip. It can hold everything from papers to mango branches. Here's the special part: pouring Coca-Cola into the cup. Who would have thought that Coke has superpowers? Not only does it quench thirst, but it also helps mango branches root faster. Come on, drink up, mango. And here we are, after just a short time, our mango branch has grown roots in the Coke water. Who knew Coca-Cola was magic juice for plants? Remember though, you have to change the Coca-Cola regularly. If you leave it too long without changing, your mango branch might think it's stuck in sticky syrup. Finally, take a look at the results. These mango trees are now big, lush, and full of life. This propagation technique isn't just effective, it's also super fun. Be sure to try it at home and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you next time.